Take me away from home.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're on our way to Rangamati today because Rebecca's going back home in probably about 2 days, 3 days. So she wants to see our family home in a place called Rangamati, which is 2 hours away from the main city of Chittagong. So we've got a car right now and I'm sitting with Hasib.
Hello.
They seem very excited. So yesterday being Eid, we had a really fun day. We had to get up really early to get journey started to Rangamati because we were only staying there for literally a few hours, maybe not even that. There's a waffle. We're not even a quarter of the way yet. Just a wee fun fact for you, Rangamati is one of the largest districts in Bangladesh. We are now leaving an area called Rozan. Just a fun fact, again.
It's a fact about the tallest building in Rangamati.
No. We don't know. Basically, we're at the highest point in Bangladesh. We're officially here. This is a road that leads up to our house. Officially arrived in Rangamati in our home, so I'll probably do a little quick video to show you around. Quite excited actually. Oh my days. So we have a bird here, our speaking bird, parrot. Awkward.
Speaking, that's what we call the Moina Paki.
He's called Moina Paki. Moina Paki, how are you? Balo suni, goma suni. How do you feel about the Moina Paki, ma?
Because I haven't seen it for years. Why not?
You only here last year, ma.
So, here's a fun fact about a moina. It eats, apparently it eats rice with chili.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
This is a back garden here. Rashid! Rashid!
That's a worm coin.
That's so cool. Say Zakia.
Ooh! Why not?
Rashid! Woo!
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase tonight. Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
We better get on this boat. I'm on a boat, there's some cows on a boat there as well.
We'll fly.
Yeah, so that's the boat ride over. We had a lot of fun. And now we're just gonna get off in a wee bit. This is all for you, mate, because you're going in a couple of days. So you better be enjoying it, alright? Smile. Smile. So we're currently on my dad's island. It's very big. It's huge.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memory, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
So we are done with our little trip to Rangamati, and now we're going to go ahead and home, back to Chittagong. Hasib doesn't want to say hello right now.
Hello.
Yes. There you go. He's going to be a bit more active later. He's just feeling very tired right now. So he doesn't want to speak.